Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you look right out there, you'll see sunlight. You can see the car's on the ground. It's running. Hold on, let's give it a rev real quick. Oh yes. Alright boys, we're back at the shop. Just gonna check and see. Maybe the bypass valve is stuck open, or we don't have a vacuum line on it. Not hooked up? We're not getting any boost at all. You saw in the video on the wideband, it was showing 0, like it wasn't even trying to make boost. So no boost. Yeah, 0 boost, even though it was still pulled like a raped ape. All right, let's check this thing here. All right, boys, current situation. The reason we weren't getting boost is we had tapped it too high for boost reference. So we're gonna move it down here. Man, this thing's still warm.
That's why the gauge wasn't showing boost.
That's why yeah, right. Okay, so the gauge wasn't showing boost. It didn't necessarily feel like it was. What do you think?
I don't know.
It didn't really feel like it was hauling butt, but. So what we're going to do is we're going to re-reference the boost gauge, and then we're going to try again, take it down the road, see what the gauge says then, if we're actually making any boost.
And how much.
And how much, correct, yeah. The thing is, this is a supercharger. It's not a turbo. I mean, it basically has no choice but to make boost, which is kind of curious here. We didn't hear any leaks. It didn't run like it had any leaks. So we put in a call to our good buddy Frank over at Power by the Hour, and he's a little perplexed too, but we're going to start here, see what the gauge reads, and kind of go from there as far as what the dealio is. All right, boys, so re-referenced boost. So now we should be getting a reading there. I'm just going to cap off these 2 ports right here, and we're going to take it down the road again, see what the gauge says. I haven't made any other changes, so maybe it was making boost, maybe it wasn't. We're not 100% sure, but we'll take it down the road and see what the gauge says, and just kind of take it from there. Oh. All right, boys, take 2. The main thing we need to watch is if we make boost. That'll be the first thing. See what happens here. Got the Dakota over there showing everything. See what happens. Look there, we got boost.
Yeah, it hit like 7 pounds.
Yeah.
Almost 10 in.
Alright, boys, we're going to get straightened around here and let her eat a minute and see what the gauge says.
It's weird though, you don't really hear it.
Yeah.
Like it don't sound like it's built clear, does it?
2.5. Alright, we'll know in a minute. Try to hold it. I saw 11.
Yeah, I seen 12.
She's moving. I don't even know how fast we're going yet. Very nice.
So I wish you wide band. Yeah, I gotta set the wide band up and they can read.
Got that a little on us.
Maybe blowing up to you.
Yeah. It could be. Oh. All right, boys, so there you go. Clearly we got some tune issues big time. Not sure if it's just pulling all the timing out or, you know, exactly what's going on, but The car runs great. It drives great. And once it's right, oh, it's ladybug season. It's going to be an animal. Just got to get the tune figured out. It's going to be too much fun. Maybe we'll take it up to Daryl. We'll see. Let's see what's going on. Talk to Lee, see what he thinks. But as far as suspension and driving, and it's just like it's got perfect street manners. Handles great. And tires actually held pretty well back there. I was surprised. So there you go, boys. This one's pretty much ready to roll. All right, guys, so fast forward 1 week later. As you could see, the car was bucking and cutting out and just wasn't hitting hard at all. We were making boost, but it didn't really feel like it. We didn't really have much information as far as the tune that was in it. We were told it was safe, it was good to make boost, it was, it was fine. Again, we don't have much information on it. We weren't told, hey, this is a great tune, this is what the car needs. We were just told it was safe. So that being said, we spoke with Lee and said, hey, we've got some bucking and some surging and the car's just not very fast. Can we take it to Daryl? And he was like, cool. So that's what we did, and that was Wednesday, I believe. The car went to Daryl, and then we got it back, and here are some hits from today after the repaired tune. It's like night and day. Check them out. I can hold it steady. Holy moly. To 60 in 1.2. Alright guys, so you can clearly see the car is so much faster now, and it pulls like, it's amazing. It pulls so hard, it runs great. Here's the other issue. We were dealing with a situation where we couldn't put gas in the car, and we changed the vent tube, and that didn't help anything on the outside, and then did some stuff with the filler neck, because I had to have an SN95 filler neck for the on-3 tank that's in the car, and so fooled with that. That didn't help. Ended up having to change the vent tube inside the tank as well. And finally, we were able to put gas in it. And that was part of the issue. It was so low on gas and that the tank wasn't venting properly. We weren't getting enough fuel to the motor. But clearly, the car runs 100% better. We're going to be doing a little more driving of it, trying to make sure we get everything ironed out with the car, because it's a project car. It's going to have a lot of issues. So, but as you can see, it's getting there. It's just one of those things where you just keep driving it. Things pop up, you fix it, and you keep going, and eventually you've got a great car, and that's what it's turning into. So, if you like this video and you think 800 horsepower Fox bodies are cool, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, guys. We'll be back. We got lots of projects rolling. Whew. We got to get to work. Later, guys.